See a lot of people asking, how do you store ammo? You can store it loosely, which works. My favorite is one of these. So it's the Apache 3800. You go to Harbor Freight, they're like $40. But this is why I like these so much. Literally have 30 loaded mags. Or 20, sorry, can't count. 20, so 600 rounds right there. That'd be such a pain to have to load loosely. You know, this is loose just because I don't have all the mags for it. I have like 10 308 mags and those are loaded in another case. But this is best choice, easily.